10 signs a younger woman likes an older man. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an interesting topic, signs that a younger woman may be interested in an older man. Age doesn't always dictate who we're attracted to, and sometimes younger women may find themselves drawn to older men for various reasons. So, let's explore 10 detailed signs that can indicate a younger woman likes an older man. Number 1. Genuine interest in conversation. One of the first signs that a younger woman may like an older man is when she shows genuine interest in conversation. If she actively engages in deep, meaningful conversations with you, asks questions about your life experiences, and seems genuinely curious about your thoughts and opinions, it could be a sign that she's attracted to your wisdom and maturity. Pay attention to her body language and tone of voice during these conversations, as they can provide valuable clues about her level of interest. Number 2. Seeking advice and guidance. Another sign to look out for is when a younger woman seeks your advice and guidance on various aspects of life. Whether it's career advice, relationship guidance, or general life tips, if she consistently turns to you for support and direction, it could be a sign that she values your experience and perspective. Keep in mind that she may see you as a mentor figure and admire your wisdom and knowledge in different areas. Number 3. Flirting and playful teasing. Flirting and playful teasing are common signs of attraction, regardless of age. If a younger woman frequently teases you, compliments you, or engages in playful banter, it could be a clear indication that she's interested in you romantically. Pay attention to her body language and tone of voice during these interactions, as they can reveal her true intentions. Number 4. Initiating physical contact. Physical contact is another sign that a younger woman may like an older man. If she initiates casual touches, such as brushing against your arm, giving hugs, or playful punches, it could be a way of testing the waters and gauging your reaction. Be mindful of her comfort level and boundaries, and reciprocate accordingly if you're interested in exploring a deeper connection. Number 5. Making future plans together. When a younger woman starts making future plans that involve you, it could be a strong indication of her interest in a long-term relationship. Whether it's discussing potential vacations, attending events together, or imagining life milestones, if she includes you in her future plans, it's a sign that she sees you as a significant part of her life. Take note of her enthusiasm and sincerity when discussing these plans, as they can reveal her level of commitment. Number 6. Showing respect and admiration. Respect and admiration are essential components of any healthy relationship. If a younger woman shows genuine respect and admiration for you, acknowledges your accomplishments, and praises your character traits, it could be a sign that she's attracted to your maturity and personality. Pay attention to her words and actions, as they can reflect her true feelings towards you. Number 7. Introducing you to friends and family. When a younger woman introduces you to her friends and family, it's a significant sign that she's serious about you. This indicates that she values your relationship and wants to integrate you into her social circle and life. Take note of her enthusiasm and pride when introducing you, as it can reveal her level of commitment and investment in the relationship. Number 8. Displaying affection in public. Public displays of affection, such as holding hands, cuddling, or kissing, can be telling signs of a deeper connection between a younger woman and an older man. If she's comfortable showing affection towards you in public settings, it's a clear indication of her romantic interest and emotional investment. Respect her boundaries and comfort level when it comes to physical affection, and reciprocate accordingly if you share her feelings. Number 9. Making efforts to impress you. When a younger woman goes out of her way to impress you or make you happy, it's a strong indicator of her romantic interest. Whether it's dressing up for dates, cooking your favorite meals, or surprising you with thoughtful gestures, her efforts to please you demonstrate her affection and desire to build a meaningful connection. Appreciate her gestures and reciprocate with kindness and appreciation to nurture the budding relationship. Number 10. Open communication about feelings. Last but not least, open communication about feelings is crucial in any relationship. If a younger woman feels comfortable expressing her feelings and desires openly with you, it indicates a strong level of trust and emotional intimacy. Foster a safe and supportive environment for honest conversations and listen to her thoughts and feelings with empathy and understanding. Well, there you have it, 10 detailed signs that a younger woman may like an older man. Remember to pay attention to her actions, communicate openly, and respect her boundaries to nurture a healthy and fulfilling relationship. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.